Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. I'm back on here today. Yes, you guys, on Saturday. I wanted to hop on here. I was burning in earlier today's video. I did a review and comparison of Dark Kiss, the newest, latest packaging of Dark Kiss. If you missed that, baby, honey, what is you doing? Go check that out. Go check that out. But I was burning this candle in that video. It is that holiday DILL-IGHT candle from Bath & Body Works. I'm loving this bejeweled pickle. If you know, you know. Yeah, but I had to burn it. It's like literally completely pooled right now. It is burning well. There's no sooting of the candle. There's no what looks like, doesn't look like uneven burn. Complete pooled well on the top. The wicks are not mushrooming, so that's a good sign. I've been burning it for a few hours now. I mean, like, y'all, she been burning. Yeah, but that one also came in this beautiful green packaging. I'm going to put a picture in right here. I did order that one online as well. I personally love pickles. I love pickles, just regular old pickles, eating them out of the jar. I love them on hamburgers. I love relish on hot dogs. I love drinking pickle juice occasionally, especially the morning after a night of a bender, baby. It works. If you know, you know. And one of my favorite ways to eat pickles, y'all, I had to share this in this video. Bacon wrapped pickles. Now listen, you get some pickles, take raw bacon, wrap it around the pickle, lay it on a cookie sheet, put it in the oven for probably, I want to say 325 for probably 30 minutes. Keep checking though. Make sure that bacon is fully cooked. Take them out, let them cool off a little bit, dip them in ranch. You will thank me. If you are a pickle lover and bacon, trust me, trust the process. You will thank me later. I swear to God, it is one of my favorite snacks. I discovered that when I was on my keto journey years ago, and I still love that snack. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hell, I can make a whole meal out of it, baby. Yeah, but let's talk about this candle really quickly. I just wanted to throw that in there because, God, I love pickles. I love them. Now, scent notes on this holiday DILL-IGHT is a dill-licious blend of pickle juice, fresh dill, and flaky sea salt. Like I said, I have had this burning for quite a few hours now. Anthony came in the room a little bit earlier. I was filming some other videos, and he goes, "Did you spray that pickle perfume? That Ariana Grande perfume, right? Did you spray that perfume, Mom?" I'm like, "No." And I pointed up here because I had the candle sitting there, and I'm like, "I'm burning that pickle perfume." And he's like, "Ugh." And he shut the door. So that tells me it definitely is discernible to the nose pickle scent. I did leave the room for quite a while, came back in. It definitely smells of pickle, but it's not super strong pickle, at least not to my nose. Now, yes, Anthony hates, like he loathes pickles. He does not like them any way, shape, or form. So for him, even the slightest hint of a pickle smell, he's like, ugh. He's just like repulsed. So, but to my nose, it was not a strong pickle scent. It was kind of like somebody was eating pickles in the room at some point, or somebody opened a jar of pickles in the room at some point. It's not super, super strong. I want to say the throw, it's probably a medium on a scale of 1 to 10. And I have a decent sized beauty room here. It's about 16 by 16. And I can smell it, but it's not powerful. It's not powerful. But I think it's just so unique. And especially for people who are pickle lovers, they are going to love this candle, honest to God. Or like if you have some traditional German family members, the German holiday pickle ornament is a German tradition in a lot of homes, especially old-timer Germans, like our grandparents, great-grandparents. Yeah, I think it would make a good novelty gift as well. If you have any white elephant gift or parties coming up, I love white elephant. I usually host it every year. This year, I'm not, due to the fact that we had sickness roll through here. Plus, I'm so behind on getting stuff done for YouTube, Banger Beauty by Mary. I'm not hosting it this year, but I think this would be a great gift for it. Absolutely. Somebody who's going to be like, pickle? Oh my God, I can just see the looks on people's faces. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did you pick up the Holiday Dill-Light pickle? Did you like it? Have you burned it? That is my question. I personally like it. I'm really, really glad I got this in the pink and the green packaging. I'm going to keep the green one for probably nostalgia purposes because I love pickles. And I'm going to burn through this one throughout the holiday season. But yeah, I'll come back and let you know. I'm sure you'll see it in my empties at some point. But I'll definitely come back and let you guys know how it performed throughout the entire burning process of the candle. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did you like or pick up Holiday Dill-Light? She is burning great, y'all. She is burning great. Yeah, but other than that, you guys, we're at my favorite part. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.